Hi, welcome to the channel. Basically, this is Peugeot Boxer 2015 model. This lens broken and MOT fail. They said reducing the effect. Because of that, we are going to change this complete unit. If you have a Peugeot Boxer 2014 to 2016, if you have a Citroen Relay 2014 to 2016, some model 2017 or Renault Master, same year 2014 to 2016-17, same way we can do it. First of all, we need to open this mirror, and if you want, you can turn this side to get more access. Then after that, we need to remove this glass to read to the side repeater. What I'm going to do, just push from top like this, then we have enough space in the bottom. I'm going to put it 2 fingers inside, or whole fingers, and just pull. Be careful, very gently do it, otherwise your mirror will break. Careful, right? I'm going to put it all fingers and just pull towards me slowly, gently.
Are you stuck? Your car's not moving? And the towing company just put you on hold again? Or you are stranded with a flat tire? No help in sight and cars just speeding past? Or a dead battery at empty car park and no one around to help? Breaking down doesn't mean you have to wait for hours or pay a fortune just to get moving again. Now, you can simply tap on towmycar.uk, compare prices instantly and get help in minutes. No membership needed, no hidden fees. Just fast, affordable roadside assistance wherever you are.
See, that's why I mean it's broken, right? Okay, nothing to do. Now customer will get free glass, right? Okay, never mind, because it's so tight from here, that's why the problem, right? Anyway, I'm going to reinstall new glass. That's why I said to you, always when you do it very gently. This thing can happen anytime, anywhere, anyone. Okay, there is a 2 screws inside. You can see 1 screw here and 1 screw bottom, all Phillips screws need to remove. Basically it's hold from the 1 screw, other screw broken here. Anyway, I'm going to remove here. Right, and I'm going to disconnect this bulb holder. Right, okay, and compare new one and old one, all good. Yeah, then I'm going to install. However, I'm going to change the bulb also same time, otherwise they will say your bulb not getting enough color. Right, change the new bulb, make sure bulb working. Yeah, it's working. Okay, right, it's clip in, and after that need to line up these 2 clips at the back, right, and tie the screws. Right, it's in. Okay, we can't do much for the bottom one because inside housing broken. Yeah, but I'm going to glue the another screw. Yeah, and after that I'm going to the order new one or the sticky one top of that, and I'm going to finish the job. If someone done before like this, please comment below. Thank you. Now you know, however, how to change repeater with broken glass. Thank you.